Avoiding common pitfalls. Subordinating conjunctions in English. Hello, English learners. In today's lesson, we're going to focus on a key component of sentence structure, namely subordinating conjunctions. Understanding and correctly using subordinating conjunctions is an important step in mastering English grammar. Are you ready to tackle these? Let's dive right in. In English, subordinating conjunctions are used to connect a subordinate, dependent clause to a main, independent clause, creating a complex sentence. Some common examples include words like because, although, until, while, and if. For instance, in the sentence, I went home because it started raining. Because is the subordinating conjunction. It's joining the subordinate clause, it started raining, to the main clause, I went home. Now, let's look at some of the most common subordinating conjunctions. They can be grouped into categories based on the type of relationship they indicate. 1. Time. After, before, once, while, until, when, whenever. 2. Cause and effect. Because, since, so that. 3. Contrast or concession. Although, though, whereas, while. 4. Condition. If, unless, provided that. These are not exhaustive lists, but they include many of the subordinating conjunctions you're likely to encounter. Unfortunately, it's easy to make mistakes when using subordinating conjunctions. Here are some common ones to watch out for. 1. Misplaced conjunction. Sometimes, students mistakenly place the conjunction in the wrong part of the sentence. For example, I went because home it started raining, is incorrect. The correct sentence is, I went home because it started raining. 2. Incorrect conjunction choice. Choosing the wrong conjunction can change the meaning of your sentence. For example, I will go to the park although it rains, is incorrect if you meant to say that rain will prevent you from going to the park. The correct sentence is, I will go to the park unless it rains. Mastering subordinating conjunctions can significantly enhance your English writing and conversation skills, making your sentences more complex and your ideas clearer. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep using these conjunctions in your sentences, and soon, it will come naturally to you. Thank you for joining us in this lesson. We hope it's been helpful.